Honda Civic comes from body shop complaining AC is not working correctly. So I can see they got the new condenser in there. 2000 and I did say 2012, right? It did focus. 2012 CRV, and we need 435 grams of 134 refrigerant. Not horribly bad. These guys only have 3.4% air in the system. I wonder if I'm gonna find if it's under or overcharged. We'll find out. But remember, body shops never check their air because body shops don't own one of these and they don't retest the refrigerant to make sure it's good before they put it in there. And so I'll find out the rest of the story once I recover the refrigerant and weigh what comes out of it. Because sometimes when guys try to go between metric and American, they mess up if they're not using grams for grams. So if they didn't have their machine set for grams and say it said 400 grams, they put 400 grams, and they try to do the math to convert grams to American, and sometimes they get, when they Google it or they try to do their math, if they don't have a machine that automatically does it for them, they get the decimal points wrong, or they don't get, when they Googled it, the difference. I'm really surprised. Some guys don't know the difference between 1.2 ounces and 1 pound 2 ounces. And this is where mistakes start happening. And or 1 kilogram and what it is in poundage. Yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna find out on this one. Yeah, 3.4% air, and it's not cooling good, that's all.